Hi guys, we're here for another scent review. So this was from eBay. A lot of these, I don't know. It looks like that 70s show, doesn't it? This is Indomitable. Indomitable, yeah, by Paris Corner. I want to say this is like an orange creamsicle scent. Like, that's what they were saying about it anyway. The packaging is just, I mean, Nancy Sinatra. I don't know. Um, Nancy Sin. Let me bring up the scent note for this. Hold on. Indomitable. Indomitable by Paris Corner is a citrus aromatic fragrance for women and men. This is new fragrance. It was launched in 2025. Yeah, they launched a ton. Top notes are clementine and orange. Middle notes are apple, black pepper, and woody notes. Base notes are neroli, white musk, and amber. The composition opens with radiant clementine and sun-ripened orange, followed by woody notes, apple, and black pepper. The scent settles into a base of neroli, amber, and white musk, evoking the transition from spring's bloom to summer's warmth. Wow. They knew how to put that together, didn't they? Follow the wording, too. The wording, the packaging, the presentation is wow. Austin Powers. Is it a little bit? I don't know. Is it? I get the kind of vibe. That is real cool. But like his bed. Remember that? That is cute. She's cute. She's heavy too. Wow. It's like, but that's the bottle. That's the lid. The lid is crazy. She's cool. Let's see what she smells like. Let me spray her out. And it is pressurized. Ooh, creamsicle. 1,000,000% creamsicle. Like the pop, the orange with the like white in them, popsicles that you get at the store. Oh my God, that smells good. But it's beast mode. It's the neroli. The neroli. I would not say younger kids would like this. This is more like of an expensive creamsicle. Wow, that's nice. And I don't have any like orange scents, but I don't even think I'd call this a gourmand because as it dries down, it gets stronger, like more in the neroli scent, in the amber and the musk. I would say the musk is like a level 4. It's strong. If you don't like musky scents, you're not gonna like this one because that's the dry down, but initial spray is absolutely creamsicle. But that kind of goes away, kind of. But she's good. I will be wearing that a lot. I hope it's not too heavy though for a hot day because I feel like a heavy musk, like when you're sweaty and an amber may get too heavy, but yet it's a bright fragrance. That's confusing me. I smell that pepper too. So it's a little bit spicy. Yeah, I really like this one. I cannot put her on me because I have like already too many scents on me. I'm going to get a headache if I mix them probably. But yeah, if you're okay with musk and neroli, you either love or you hate it. The dry down is not the creamsicle at all. You could still smell like the clementine in it, but it's not on the dry down. Not the creamsicle anyway. It doesn't smell like that to me. I think, let me smell it again. That's more neroli and musk. But it's still really, really good. But like I said, it's like something they would have worn in the 70s. That's exactly like the vibe I get from the smell of it too, especially the dry down. That is definitely unisex because it's very, very woody. That neroli is strong. Like, so is the musk. So I feel like I might actually mix like bare suede vanilla with that and bring in more creaminess to it. Like, because this is, I would say, more masculine, honestly, than feminine. That initial spray, you're like, oh my God, that's feminine. No, just wait 2 seconds and then you're going to change your mind. That is beast mode. You don't need a lot. And I would say it leans more masculine for sure. And I think it'd be great on a man. I really do. And it's a different kind of scent. So it's not one that everybody's going to be wearing. That's for sure. But it's spicy. It's got that spiciness to it, which I like. I would not layer that. If you're a dude, I wouldn't layer it. You don't need to layer it with anything because it's got it all there. All that musk, all the woody notes are already there. You do not need to add to that. Please don't. It's strong enough as it is. And it's definitely masculine, but I do like it. I do really like it. I'm going to have to add vanilla to it to feminize it a little bit. But yeah, I love the presentation. It's not quite what I thought it would be, but I love it. I still love it. She's different and he's different than I thought, but I love it. And I'll definitely wear it. It'll be layered. I will never wear this on its own. I think it's just, I wish there was more orange, like more orange, but it's spicy and woody at the dry down. That's what you're going to get. You're not going to get that. I think the orange basically leaves it completely. Well, it doesn't lie in the notes. It says it. A base of neroli, amber, and white musk. Not a base of orange. Not a base of creamsicle. But yeah, I would say it's masculine. I would say it's more for men. That's just me. But yeah, if you're into that woodier dry down or you don't mind layering it, yeah, that first initial spray, you definitely get creamsicle, but it leaves real fast, which is kind of sad. But I do get the citrus, but I feel like everything else takes over. You do still get the citrus vibe, but like I'm telling you, that woodiness takes over, and that's going to be the lead of that fragrance. Would I buy it again? Probably not, because like I said, I think it is more masculine, but I will tell you how I feel when I layer it with that vanilla, and I will go from there. But men, wear it on its own. Please do not layer that. Do not layer it. You don't need to add to that. And you'll see what I mean when you smell it. But yeah, I wouldn't. When I initially saw the review, I'm like, ooh, creamsicle. So I went for it without really reading the dry down notes. I just didn't care. Maybe I should, but I'm glad I got it. It's a really cool bottle to add to my collection. But anyway, I'll tag all these down below. Fragrance. eBay, sometimes if you don't have a big order and you're just getting one fragrance, eBay is usually the cheapest on ones that are hard to find. It's something I can guarantee you've never smelled anything like this one. It's really, really different. If you're not comfortable going out on the edge, maybe it's not safe for you, but I like living on the edge. There's a song about that. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. Please, please, please thumbs up this video and hype this video. Put down below your favorite summer emoji, and definitely hit that bell notification so you're aware of when I go lives. At the end of the day, check my lives. And every Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific, join us for trivia and just basically club Lissa shops. Basically, I don't know how else to say it, but that's basically what it turns out to be. But anyway, thank you for being here. I appreciate you all so very much, and I will see you soon. Bye.